Happy birthday, Mama Janet Kataaha Museveni. With a conviction that life is not just a problem to solve, but a journey of purpose being written by the hand of God. Mama has lived a journey of sacrifice, selfless service, and unwavering commitment to God. A life devoted to serving his people with love and compassion. From comforting the orphans of Luaro in their time of greatest need, to standing with the resilient communities of Karamoja, to championing education so that children in the most remote corners of Uganda can dream, learn, and build a brighter future. Mama has lived a life that reflects faith in action. Her bequest is not merely found in the offices she has held, but in the countless lives she has touched, the hope she has restored, and the opportunities she has helped create for generations of Ugandans. Today, Uganda pauses to celebrate a remarkable woman whose life embodies the enduring values of integrity, service, faith, humility, and hope. These are the values that continue to inspire our nation and remind us that true leadership is measured by the lives we uplift. On this special day, we simply say thank you. Thank you for your years of dedicated service, compassion, and steadfast commitment to the people of Uganda. And thank you for answering God's call with courage, grace, and unwavering devotion. Mama, as you celebrate another year of life, may God bless you with abundant health, renewed strength, enduring peace, and overflowing joy. May He continue to guide your steps, enlarge your impact, and grant you many more years to inspire generations with your example of faith and servant leadership. Happy birthday, Mama Janet Kataaha Museveni.